Oh, you're fucking fast. What? That hit me? Hello? Oh. That was the pallet. Eat my ass, Chief.
I have the hiccups.
Sorry. Spooky. Oh, basement!
He's nodding at me. What did I do?
I have the hiccups, for real, for real.
What are cup picks?
Fucking dummy!
Oh, did you stupid bitch him?
Yeah.
Oh, he slammed him in the back. Oh, someone's coming.
Brian.
Oh, Brian. Boy.
I have the hiccups. Help. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Well, he wants you bad.
Yeah, he does. He's mad, he's mad, he's mad, he's mad. Oh, shit. He's mad, guys. Final method, you're right. Hi, Jam! Jam, look what I got in the mail! Oh, you're amazing! It made me so happy!
Well, that's cool.
Look, I got these cute... Oh! I got these cute stickers!
Hey, buddy.
Oh, buddy?
You want a locker heal or do you want me to heal you?
I'm fine. I wish I'd stayed in the basement. Jam, it made my day. Thank you so much. Final method, thank you so much for the subscription. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let me know if no one's coming, Malcolm. I'm just gonna go through this a bit.
No one's coming right now.
I'm on my way to the ruin.
Someone's coming.
Oh, you found
Meow, you. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Final, thank you so much for using your Twitch Prime on me.
Yes. Let's go to the gen. He's looking towards us? Oh, no.
Done.
Good job.
Lots of wine. Oh my god, I've been drinking, yeah, I've been drinking wine.
You know, it's a fake, he canceled.
Yeah. Are you guys going to get Brian?
I already got.
He's on me. Hiccups from wine. Oh shit.
Oh no. Are you in danger, Kat?
No.
Redward? Oh, he's in shock. What the fuck? Oh, he wants mouth.
Oh shit,
Hold on,
he does.
Gotcha.
Thanks, dog.
There's still a pallet outside of shock. Oh, he wants cat.
Oh, he's on me now.
This guy's so weird.
It's close.
I'm running back.
Oh my god, that did not hit
popped
me.
It said nothing.
Fuck.
You
Oh shit.
Wait, he's using double rope. Forever, Freddy, dude.
Can you say something in French? I can't speak French.
I do le blé fromage.
I do be flesh image. Baguette.
Manger la merde.
Wolf Clean, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a great night and welcome in. My name is Kat and I have hiccups.
Remember when I was a kid, they made me learn the Three Little Pigs in French? What? You scared the shit out of me.
Baguette!
Where are the other gens?
That horrible
Jack is like 75, but he's
bonjour,
just
je m'appelle. Cat. I did it.
Oh fuck, Mark's being chased.
Wait, this pallet's gone. Fuck! I'm dead.
No.
I'm dead here.
Me and Brian are almost on this one.
Oh, Forever Freddy with pop at 3. Oh, it's so annoying. He's popped the same gen like 7 times because he just teleports to it. It's so not fun.
It is annoying.
I should have stayed at
We're coming to that gen.
Why Baguette's so famous? Because it's bread and I want to eat the wheat.
Oh, a lot of gens are really close.
There's an ice cream place here in the US where if you tip them any amount, they sing really loud. That's pretty cool.
Okay, pull them away from Brian.
Brian's working on the gen. He teleported to Brian, or fake teleported to Brian's.
I wanted to eat the wheat, so it was the baguette. Final method, where is that place? Where's that ice cream place?
He's on Brian.
Why do I have the worst hiccups ever in the world?
She can just cancel teleport and just keep on doing that over and over.
The cooldown is kind of long when it does it though.
Cold Stone is great. Tink, thank you for the follow. Welcome in.
Fuck.
He's gonna get another pop as well.
He's looking for me. He's going for the kill here.
Repair that shack one, because she's almost done with the Ironworks as well.
Brian has adrenaline, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Almost done with Ironworks. Nice fake teleport. Should have stuck to it.
Perfect timing.
Woo!
Good job,
Silly
buddy.
Freddy.
Yeah, you should have stuck to it, Freddy, you stupid ass.
Should have aimed to the
Stupid
head.
ass.
Flashlight.
Macho Man. Hell yeah.
Know what?
Randy Sapp. Both gates are being open. So run to either one, him. Oh, you got stuck in the wall?
Yeah, I got stuck in the wall.
Wait, are you coming to me?
I don't exactly know.
It's
Oh,
open.
I
My
just-
door's
see how-
open.
Oh, I have time. Oh, he's gonna hard bloodlust us.
I can block you. Where are you?
Oh, he fucked up.
Oh, he fucked up.
Wrestling. Where are you, Ham? I can block.
Oh, you
Oh,
fucked
he's
up.
so fucking fast.
Oh my god, he's so fucking fast and he... Oh, he has snares. Wait, you're not dead on hook, are you?
Nope.
Do you have DS?
Yes, I do. He's coming, he's coming. Cat, be careful.
Oh, Brian, no.
Oh, this is not good. Oh,
I'll
no.
borrow it.
Don't get yoinked.
Stupid.
Hold on.
Stupid.
Can I take the dead heart? Yes!
Oh. Damn. I have DS too.
Don't worry, don't worry. Start calling.
Shit, you should have been crawling the whole time. Fuck.
I'm sorry. We both have
Oh, no,
DS
it's
though.
okay. Oh, you still have DS?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait here.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, sorry.
I didn't know. No, it's fine. I'm not mad. I didn't know I had been hooked twice.
Oh my god.
Who knows these days?
Who knows? Jeez.
I might be drunk.
It's a possibility.
You don't know.
Oh, wait, I lost my
Holy shit,
flashlight.
30,000.
Holy shit, 20,000. Someone's got the hiccups.
It's okay, I did it for my team.
I'm just surprised I didn't get hit through that hard.
Hi, Oni! Oh, that was like a hiccup and burp. Oh my god.
I heard that.
What's happening? I don't know. I can't control my body. I want to learn how to speak French, but I don't know if I could ever learn. I'm so bad with languages. I tried to
Well, if
learn. I tried to learn French Canadian from a friend, and they were like, "Lol, you're never gonna learn," and then they
Well,
gave up on me.
If you go to behavior one day, they speak, like, French is their first language.
Oh.
So maybe you should learn.
I'm hiccuping so bad. Oh, sleep well, Luna. I love you so much, and thank you for being here for as long as you were. You're amazing.
Was that a burp or a fucking hiccup?
It was a hiccup. It's all hiccups.
So like a burp. It was like that. Are you opening another bottle?
No, I have one open.
Wait. Oh, I thought that was the second bottle. Like, you're gonna die.
Dance Gavin, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Me. I have DS. Also me on Death Hook. God damn it. Bacon Schwarzenegger, I love your name!
Bacon Schwarzenegger. That's a pog, dude.
I'll be right back, guys. Gotta pee.
Grab a glass of water for your damn hiccup.
No.
Oh no.
Whoa! Everything's wobbly.
Who would have thought?
Aw, Pixel's so cute. Oh god. I'm falling!
That's a big one.
Stop. Where are you, Glitch?
Don't fall on glitch.
I'm gonna ask you guys every day if you think I'm cute until you say yes.
Whoop. Oh.
Hello.
Whoop. Wait, I'm back. Don't worry. Oh my god, thank you so much for the follow!
Still perks on Kate.
Xavier.
Hard mode. Hard mode.
Caught your breath for 10 seconds. I'm drinking wine.
That's a big kitty.
Glitch is like, I'm so tired of your shit. You saw Kitty Zoe. Hi, Thox. Welcome. Hi. No, Hawkins. This is,
on Hawkins.
And
this is
Flaggy.
so good. Oh no, it's
And
Plague.
fucking Flaggy.
Dude, I'm
Oh
straight up
my
perkless.
god.
You thought the kitty? You thought Glitch was a raccoon?
Mercenary, how do you think Glitch was a raccoon? Oni, it was very close to working.
Oh, it's the plague? Dude. Oh shit.
Yeah, yes, Grims, we should. Oh.
Is that an M1 plague?
We should hang out. She has corrupt already.
Oh, that's a fucking dead end.
Hellion, thank you for the follow.
And...
I don't know if the hiccups will ever end.
Oh wait, no, dead hard. Fuck. No, I got stuck in the corner. She likes to M1 more than she likes to puke. Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Insane, and I have the hiccups again. Thank you. Ecstasy, thank you so much. I don't know what to say other than hiccuping because I just keep crying. Help. Fuck. Every time I try not to cry, I get the hiccups.
You just can't catch a break?
Oh, Blink, thank you for the follow. Come in. Yo, Ecstasy, thank you. I have mad hiccups right now. I don't know what to do. I feel very loved. Like, overwhelmingly loved.
Overwhelming presence.
I don't want to throw a pallet, but I have no other option here.
Just do it, just do it.
Oh fuck, I got blocked.
Well, this isn't good.
Carrie, thank you for the
Disgusting thing.
follow.
Why are you so fast?
I can't stop hiccuping. With the Edgar emote and everything.
Got it. Oh, it's 99. There you go, buddy.
Thanks for Millie.
Dude, oh, I was so close to that flashlight too.
The hiccup start.
Oh, hi.
I can't stop crying.
Oh, I got behavior. I'm lucky.
Thank you, Zingsley. Thank you for adding me on Steam. I'll add you right away. I'm sorry for crying so much tonight.
Fuck.
The hiccups are too much for me. I can't deal with them.